Size and shape of cell of animals and the plant in the wide range of shape, and cells have a spherical, over elliptical, columnar, cuboidal, polygonal and isodiametric different type of cells. And smallest cells we have to observe like PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organ, about 0.1 micron in a diameter, and Mycoplasma gallisepticum is the smallest cell with a diameter between 0.1 micrometer to 1 micrometer. The largest cell of the Agavasti is measuring to 15 centimeter, and the nerve cell is about to 19 centimeter, and unicellular alga, that is acetibularia, having 10 centimeter inner length. Some structure of cells like ovum, sperm, bone cell, nerve cell, blood cell and smooth muscle cells, and ostrich cell, or colonocyte, serratum and diatoms. First we have going to the every cell have the three parts. There is a plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. In the plant cell, wall is present in the extra one. In the plasma membrane, this is the outer covering of the cell that separate the cell content from the external environment, and is flexible and is made of the organic molecule called lipid and protein. They are mainly formed by lipid and protein, and they can observe this structure of the plasma membrane only through the electron microscope. The different model are given for the plasma membrane. First model, the unit membrane model given by scientist Robertson. On the basis of the electron microscope, study proposed that the membrane is made up of the 4 layer, 2 protein layer and 2 lipid layer, and the outer and external and the inner, there is a 2 protein layer, outer and inner, and these 2 layer are made of the phospholipid layer. Their phospholipid layer is 35 angstrom, and both outer and inner protein layer is 20 angstrom, that is total 75 angstrom thick layer. And lipid layer are the sandwiched between the 2 protein layer, and the middle biomolecular phospho layer is 35 angstrom thick, and each protein layer is 20 angstrom. This is the unit membrane. Second model is fluid mosaic model given by scientists too, that is Singer and Nicholson, and which is widely accepted. According to this model, a functional biological membrane is a dynamic membrane where the lipid and the protein as its principal component and are in constant motion, and the protein of the two types, that is extrinsic and intrinsic. Extrinsic protein, the peripheral protein which is soluble and readily dissociated from the membrane, and the fluid mosaic model, it is clear the phospholipid bilayer, and the protein, that is outer one extrinsic and inner one intrinsic protein. This is the protein channel, and these are glycoprotein intrinsic. Internal protein which are relatively insoluble and dissociated with the difficulty function, and the plasma membrane enclose the cell content, so it is form the protein covering, and the plasma membrane allow the entry and exit of some materials and it and out of the cell, and they also prevent the movement of some other materials, so the membrane is called selective permeable membrane. That means they allow not all the material or molecule from the out or inner side, so they are known as selective permeable. Movement of the molecule is by two type of method, that is diffusion and osmosis. The plasma membrane of the some organ of the cell is involved in the process of engulfing layer particles such as the microorganism. This is called phagocytosis. If the fluid material is taken inside, then we have to not say phagocytic, then it is known as pinocytosis when it engulf or liquid material. Plasma membrane is also involved in exocytosis or endocytosis. Next we are moving to the heading, that is diffusion and movement of the molecule from a region of higher concentration to the region of where the concentration is low. This is called diffusion, and all substances are made of minute particles called molecule, and the solid of the molecule are packed relatively close together. In the liquid, the molecule are separate forever, and in the gases they are forever more than liquid. So the diffusion is more in solid, after that liquid, and then less in solid, faster in gases, liquid, and not seen in solid. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, chlamydomonas, and also in the some multicellular organisms like hydra, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen vessels like ammonia are transported by the diffusion process through the plasma membrane. And in the complex multicellular organism, exchange of gases take place by the diffusion one. Osmosis. Next heading. And the osmosis is a special type of diffusion which involves the movement of the solvent through the semi-permeable membrane from an area where it is the high concentration, that's less concentrated solution, to an the area it is in the low concentration, that means more concentrated solution. Osmosis is a two type, that is endosmosis and exosmosis.